In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Binance with ChatGPT. The official Binance plugin lets you check public market data, including cryptocurrency prices, price history, order books, recent trades, and candlestick charts. It works with Binance Spot, futures, and options markets. You don't need to sign in to Binance because the plugin cannot access your account or perform trades. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT in your web browser or launch the ChatGPT desktop application. Make sure you're signed into the ChatGPT account you want to use. Next, open the Plugins section from the left-hand sidebar. Inside the Plugins directory, use the search bar to look for Binance. Once Binance appears in the search results, select the official Binance plugin and click Install Plugin. Next, click Connect. Because Binance for ChatGPT only provides public, read-only market data, you won't be asked to sign into your Binance account or authorize access to personal information. Once the installation is complete, Binance should appear in your list of installed plugins. To test it, start a new conversation and enter a prompt such as, "What is the current price of Bitcoin on Binance?" You could also ask, "Show me the historical price of Ethereum over the past 7 days." Another useful prompt would be, "Display the latest BTC/USDT candlestick data on the 1-hour time frame." You can also ask, "Show me the current BTC/USDT order book on Binance Spot." For derivatives market information, you could enter, "Retrieve the latest market data for BTC/USDT futures on Binance." ChatGPT will use the Binance plugin to retrieve the relevant public market data and present it in an easy-to-understand format. Keep in mind that the plugin only accesses public market information. It does not connect to your Binance account, display your personal balances or portfolio, and cannot buy, sell, deposit, withdraw, or execute any other transaction. The information it provides should also not be considered financial advice. Always verify important market data before making trading or investment decisions. And that's how to connect and use the official Binance plugin with ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.